Yeah.
You ready? 1, 2. Good, good, good. You're just going to go with me?
Yep.
I'm going to do, can you see this water behind me?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm going to do our window, and then I'm going to do this and listen to a little bit of that. Watch out for this. Let me get...
I'll just follow you. Look out for all this shit, too.
It's early afternoon. The eye has passed Biloxi, but you can see there's a lot of flooding here, and it's just starting. The surge back here is a little bit even worse. In fact, we were trying to get to some of the flooding up here. We were on an overpass of the interstate, and as we were sitting still, we got hit with a piece of debris, took out the window in our vehicle. Still debris coming. Stops. This is a gas station. This is what's still happening here. The roof being destroyed right now as we watch it. Katrina has passed by the main part. A lot of damage still ahead. Back to you.